Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you. Now, Niagara Falls. Wow. So, adding on to that, I just recalled when I was standing here. I just recalled a very beautiful incident. You might be aware with a company named Apple, whose founder Steve Jobs. You know, Mr. Steve Jobs, who is the founder of Apple Foundation, once upon a time was removed from his own company by the other authorities who were there in the system. Now, once he was removed out of his own company, what did he do? Did he fight back? Ask for the rights or court case? No. He did nothing. Instead, from the next day itself, he started his another company with a new name and started working for that. Couple of his colleagues, near and dear ones, came to him and told, "Oh Steve, you should fight for your rights. It's your right, Apple Foundation, come on." And what he replied was, "If I fight for that, maybe I'll get that, but maybe it will take a year or two to get my rights back or the court case and stuff. But what about wasting my 2 years in that? Life is too short for that." And he did nothing but started his own. Now, after a certain time, when Apple Foundation found a drop in its turnover, that was the time when those authorities again came back to Steve, apologized, and asked him to rejoin at the same position. So was it the time when Steve had to show his power and attitude, or maybe, this was the time for revenge? Nothing like that. Again, he did nothing. He readily accepted it and joined back again. Along with that, he merged his own company with Apple again. He never thought that if again this people removes me from the same position, I would have that small company to work for. But he never thought, he again merged it. Friends, this life is too short to be negative. This life is too short to hate someone. This life is too short to hurt someone, or to maybe be jealous from someone, or to compete with someone. And that's why I'll just say one thing, and that is, then rather than we competing with each other, rather than hurting each other, or rather than speaking bad about each other, it would be much better that we start focusing on our powers, and maybe we can even support people around us, because life is too short for that. And you need to forget competition. I need to have cooperation. The moment cooperation is there, automatically things start changing. Even in this type of conferences, where so much powerful people are there, in the breaks there are talks where at this premises, at this level, it should not be there. But still, at this level also, I have seen people trying to snatch something, or trying to hurt someone else, or speak bad, or backbitching, I don't know what. But I have seen. And when I'm talking about this, first thing you need to know is, never ever, the language is not required, the sound is even not required. What is required is just look at the video, what they are trying to show you. Okay? Yeah, let's play. And just please change the inputs. Yeah.
मैं विश्वास करता हूँ कि सब कुछ परमेश्वर
Reduce little volume and change the input, please.
बनाई है, ये उसका भाग है। और किस प्रकार की योजनाएं हैं, सचमुच इस वक्त मैं परमेश्वर की महिमा को मेरे हाथ पैर न होने की वजह के संघर्ष के द्वारा देख सकता हूँ।
हाँ, and start it again. Yeah, that's fine.
मैं विश्वास करता हूँ कि सब कुछ परमेश्वर के नियंत्रण में है, और परमेश्वर ने हमारे लिए जो योजना बनाई है, ये उसका भाग है। और किस प्रकार की योजनाएं हैं, सचमुच इस वक्त मैं परमेश्वर की महिमा को मेरे हाथ पैर न होने के वजह के संघर्ष के द्वारा देख सकता हूँ।
In Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my light, my strength, my song. This cornerstone, this solid ground, firm through the fiercest drought and storm. What heights of love, what depths of peace, when fears are stilled, when striving cease. My comforter, my all in all, here in the love of Christ I stand. In Christ alone, who took on flesh, fullness of God in helpless babe, this gift of love and righteousness, scorned by the ones he came to save. Till on that cross, as Jesus died, the wrath of God was satisfied. For every sin on him was laid. Here in the death of Christ I live.
वास्तव में हमारा जीवन जो हम जी रहे हैं वो पवित्र शास्त्र की उत्तम गवाही है देने के लिए। हाँ, हमारे फल द्वारा जिस तरह से हम जीते हैं
बेहतर बनाते रहते। कोई उनके कंपटीशन में उसके पहले वो अपना ही रिकॉर्ड तोड़ देते। He used to break his own records again and again, back to back. 35 world records. And now, a person who drives at the speed of 350, एक गलत टर्न और उसकी जान जा सकती है, एक सेकंड की गलती और वो हार सकता है। But he was the person who used to drive on perfection, and every day he worked so hard for the same. और जब वो रेस में उतरते तब कोई ये नहीं पूछता कि कौन जीता, बिकॉज सबको पता है जब वो रेस में है तब उन्हीं को जीतना है। A person who has been up till now 7 times world champion in Formula 1 racing. And lastly now, a person की जो पागलों की तरह मेहनत कर चुके हैं, इतने सारे गोल्स कर चुके हैं, और उनका एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मैच जिसमें उनको एक बहुत ही बुरा इंजरी हुआ, मगर उस इंजरी के बाद जब उनके फिजियो ने आकर देखा तो कहा तुम बाहर चलो, तुम खेल नहीं पाओगे, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू प्ले, यू कम आउट, आई एम ब्रिंगिंग स्ट्रेचर फ्रॉम यू फॉर यू। बट स्टिल in the next scene you will see he was unable to run on his feet, but still he was standing there. And what did he do for his country? Let's see. तो आप सोचिए कि अगर हर दिन हम सभी लोग इतनी ही पैशन के साथ काम करें तो क्या नहीं हो सकता। सो दैट्स द वर्ड फॉर यू, एवरी डे। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।